on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair, for the lowest fares and the best on-time records.
And ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair is delighted to welcome you to Gdańsk. 20 minutes ahead of schedule with the local time here, just approaching 5 minutes past 9. Please remain in your seats and the aircraft has come to complete stop. The captain has reached the table sign off and the main door here in the front deck cabin has been opened for you. Please exercise extreme caution when opening the overhead lockers, as your hand luggage may have become dislodged in the flight and cause injuries. For those who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach the designated smoking area way outside the terminal building. If you'd like to rent a car, Ryanair recommends Heads, which is our car rental partner and offers great discounts to our Ryanair passengers. For more information, your routes, hotel accommodation, web check-in, priority boarding, and much more, please continue to visit us at ryanair.com. So finally, on behalf of our captain, first officer, but especially our crew today, I'd like to thank you for flying with us. It was a great pleasure looking after you, and we hope to see you at Ryanair.
Have a good time, by the doors, please.